Hello, welcome. It's Make It in a Minute Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. I do have to apologize. I think allergies are kicking in and my voice is kind of giving away. But we are back again to work on a card together, and we're going to be using the Prized Peony. We're using this little decorative stamp and Your Sweet Friendship Refreshes the Soul are the only two stamps that we're going to use. We're going to set that aside for now. We'll have all the measurements posted in down below, and it'll have a link that'll go over to our blog. So we're going to need a little bit of ribbon. It's about 10 to 11 inches. Our card base, we're going to need another Highline Heather cut at 4 by 5 1/4, 4 and 5 1/4 for the inside of the card for Whisper White, a scrap of Whisper White, and some gorgeous grape. All right, to get started, we're going to fold our card base in half. This one right here, we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Now we're going to use Gorgeous Grape ink, and we're going to do second generation. Okay, and while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment. Next, we're going to take a 2-inch circle punch, and we're going to take and run this through the embossing machine. Now, today we're going to be using the Subtles embossing folder. And I run it through twice just because I want to get a deeper impression. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to apply just a little bit of tape in the middle, because my sentiment's going to go directly in the middle, but I'm also going to put the ribbon underneath it just to add a little bit of funness to it. Okay, we'll see how that does. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put dimensionals on the back. Next, we're going to take the small bloom punch. Okay, we're going to take our piercing mat. Now this was retired, but they did bring it back. It is item number 126199, and it's for $5. So now we're going to take our little and that has the ball tip on it, the larger ball tip, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to press in the middle of the flower and just make circles. What that's going to do is it's going to pop up the flower petals. We're going to take our glue dots now. What we're going to do is we're going to put some pearls on the top. And for the inside of the card, we will just go ahead and stamp a little bit of the design using our Gorgeous Grape ink again. And this is ready to go. Now, what I do is I personally leave this empty until I know who I'm giving the card to, and then I go ahead and stamp on it. But we hope you enjoyed this card. It's really fun and easy, and it just adds a really a lot with these flowers that pop up. But hopefully you will join us next Monday. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.